Have you ever wrapped up a day at work wishing you could actually take home the money you actually made that day? Now, some people out there work for tips and actually get to enjoy this, but that's not most of us. And that's definitely something that I dealt with, especially when you're paycheck to paycheck and you're just waiting for that next paycheck. It's like, I put in work today. I technically made money today. It'd be great if I could get access to it today, which is what I love about having an online business. Because right now I'm promoting 4 different digital programs ranging from $100 to $900. And whenever one of my customers buy from me, they're buying from me, which means all the money from that sale goes directly to me and into my bank account the same day. Oh, by the way, those 4 programs that I promote that are live and interactive, I didn't actually create those. I just get to resell them and keep 100% of the profit. Someone else handles the fulfillment. It's a beautiful thing. It's actually part of a turnkey business model that I stepped into 8 months ago, where I didn't have to build anything. I was up and running within hours, and then I just follow a step-by-step 2-hour-a-day process to successfully get results with my online business. It's a beautiful thing. And again, I get paid the same day. So if you're sick of waiting 2 to 4 weeks for money that you have made, and you're curious to learn about this online business model where I didn't have to build anything, where I can sell live interactive programs worth as much as $900 that I did not make, and I get it the same day. If you want to learn more about what's going on here, follow me so we can keep in touch, save this video for later, and then drop "show me" in the chat. I would love to share all the details with you.